Hello and welcome, Mohammad Mubashir Qureshi, and I am a mathematics teacher over 22 years of teaching experience. And over these years, I have taught many of the students of different levels in school and academy, and I help them building strong foundations in mathematics. I specialize in topics like algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, and problem-solving skills. So, uh, what makes my teaching unique is that I connect mathematics with the real life examples. So students don't just memorize formulas. Actually, they understand and enjoy learning math. Okay, on Preply, my goal is to support the students step by step. Whether you want to improve your grades, prepare for your exams, or simply strengthens your mathematical skills with confidence. If you are looking for a dedicated and experienced math tutor, I would be happy to guide you. Thank you so much.